Hello, these are the two Filipino films in this year's Seoul International Women's Film Festival. Sunshine is the opening film, and this is the statement from the director Antoinette Adaune. Our movie won the Crystal Bear in Berlin, and these are the schedules for our Korean audiences. I've seen the movie and I agree with my pamangkin maganda. Joining Sunshine in Seoul is Julian Reyes If Tomorrow Never Comes. This is a queer short film. It has two screenings tomorrow and on the 27th. Recent award winner JT Trinidad produces this short film. So congratulations to our two Pinoy films in Seoul. And finally, this is not a Sunshine review.